Before the opening bell, U.S. indices under pressure Tuesday morning after disappointing manufacturing data continue to lift worries over the U.S. economy. ISM manufacturing PMI falling to 47.8, missing the 50 estimate for September, marking a 10-year low. Every S&P 500 sector closing in the red, with the worst performing stocks in automobiles and components, transportation and capital goods sectors. In other news, market U.S. manufacturing PMI slightly rising to 51.1 and U.S. construction spending increasing 0.1%. This all as 70% of S&P 500 constituents traded lower yesterday. Now, after the markets closed, Johnson & Johnson, the drug maker, reaching a settlement agreement with 2 Ohio counties ahead of an upcoming opioid trial. The company will pay a total of $20.4 million to avoid that trial. Also, Lennar, the home builder, posting third quarter net income up 13% to $513.4 million, or $1.59 a share. Sales increased by 3% to $5.9 billion. And in terms of expectations today, we have Paychex first quarter EPS anticipated at 68 cents on revenue of $991.3 million. Meanwhile, economic docket today, 7 o'clock in the morning, we have the MBA mortgage applications. And also before the bell, we have the September ADP employment change report, also known as private payrolls. In the markets, the S&P 500 is where we begin. That sees the downside prevail. The Nasdaq also sees the downside prevail, while the Dow Jones sees the downside prevail, but that's in focus. The immediate trend remains down and the momentum is strong. Short positions below 26,465 are favored, with targets at 26,225 and 26,100 in extension.